Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play Dress to Impress for the first time. So this is a beginner's tutorial if you are playing this game for the first time like I do here. So I'm going to show you and I hope this will be helpful. So when you enter the game, it will look like this. So this is like the launch room where you can explore some fashion and some items that you can buy. And here you can see there's money laying around on the floor. You can just take it by going to that money and you can collect it. Here I'm going to change my skin, as you guys can see. And you can see at the top the theme is now urban legend. You just need to find fashion item that fits the theme. You can just explore in here and find the items that match with the theme. And while you explore, you can also again collect some money to use on the game. So here I'm still exploring what to wear that match with the theme. You can always explore to see and as you guys can see, other players also going around the launch to see their match outfit that meets the theme. You can change the color of the clothes that you choose. You can see the color palette on the right screen in here. You can change to how you like it, and when you already find the one, you can just explore again. Here I'm going to find the bottoms or the pants that match with the outfit. You can also select the color again using this color palette on the right side of the screen. You can change it to how you like it, then go back to explore. Now I'm going to find some accessories that fits with the theme again. You can just choose, for example, a bag or maybe a necklace that match with the outfit. Here I'm choosing a bag, a handbag, and also a necklace. Okay, now I'm going to find a shoe that match with the outfit. You can just export in here on the right side. There is this wardrobe of shoes and also hat, and here I'm going to choose a shoe. For example, I'm going to choose this one, this black shoe, and it will be done. And I'm not going to change the color, so you can just skip that. And for the next part, I'm going to go to the to the salons in here to find some hairstyle and also of course the makeup. Then here you can just go to the chair and click on the love icon, and here on the right side you can see there's this makeup and you can just choose. But on the left side, this is what you if you want to buy and if you got Robux. But I'm going to just use a free makeup in here on the right side that you can choose. Okay, I like this one. Let's just use this. Now let's go pick a cute hairstyle. Again, just click on the love icon, then you can choose the hairstyle that you want on the right side. Here I like this one and I'm not going to change the color, so let's just walk again. Okay, so here there's the still time left a minute, and if you still got time, you can always explore more. If you want to have more item, you can do so. Okay, so this is the outfit that I choose, and now the time is up and the fashion show has begun. So on the fashion show, you can also see other players fashion item or looks. Here you can give stars. If you like them, you can give them 5 stars. If you don't like it, you can just give them 1. And they will also vote your dress or your outfits. Okay, so after all the players done, so they will announce the winners in here and you'll get to see the winners. So unfortunately I'm not win in this challenge. So here I on the number 7 in here I got 5 stars and 35 money in here, but that's not bad. So here is the intermission, so you can just wait in here until the next challenge. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.